my God! What the hell are you driving? Huh? What the hell are you driving? Take me home! I'm even sweating! You don't have AC in this car? What kind of a driver are you? You can't even talk to me? Take me home! Don't force me! I will come take over the steering! Hey! Hey! That is your boy. Oh my goodness! What am I doing in this country? What am I doing here? You can't even drive straight. Is that the way to my house? Am I in a car or am I in a coffin? Goodness! I am tired of this country. Just day one. Day one, I am tired already. Hey, listen. Stop that car. Stop this car. Can you stop this car? Let me drive. Park. Just park. Oh my goodness. Who asked me to come back? Who asked me to come back to this goddamn country? Can you stop this car? Let me drive. Hey, help me. Somebody help. What is this to me? You want to kidnap me? Do you know who my father is? Do you know who my father is? Move this car! Oh my goodness. I can't even concentrate. Are you a deaf and dumb? I said stop this car. Okay, stop. It's over. Thank you. Just drop me. Damn! Security! Security! Oh my goodness, no. I'm in Nigeria. It doesn't work. 911! Where's my phone? 911 doesn't work as well. 080! Stop this car! Stop! I will sue you! Mark my words, I will sue you! Is this Nigeria or Mali? Where am I? Hey! They want to kidnap me! No one is listening to me. I'm in the wrong country. Obviously. Park! I said park! Park! Stop! Stop! Kevin, you have to calm down, okay? Take it easy. This is not Ohio. This is Nigeria. You have to adapt to the system. Just drive carefully, please. Oh, Kevin, you're still shouting. Take it easy. Please, drive carefully. Drive! Hey! Oh, back!
That's more, guy.
Hey! Everybody, I'm back! Wow! Mama! Popsy! CC! Wow! Oh, my family! Oh, my family! Oh, my family! I'm back! You guys are surprised to see me? That is a surprise you're seeing! You surprised to see me? I'm back! I'm hungry, please. Is there food? What are you doing here?
Kelvin!
Mom?
What are you doing here? Why did you come back?
What? Wait a minute. No, hold on. Wait a minute. Like, hold on. Wait a minute. You guys are not happy to see me? You guys are not happy to see me? Like I should go back to that country? You want me to go there and die? Come on, Mom. I'm back to my father's land. I'm back to my country. Let me enjoy some big booty babes. Let me enjoy this life. Let me enjoy myself before I die.
Did you come with someone else?
Who that again now?
Oh.
Who you find?
Oh.
Who you find? Oga?
Okay.
You never paid my money, I just keep me outside here. I just told you how to go. Well done.
Yeah. Oh, that reminds me. How much is your money again?
10,000 naira now.
$10,000 or 10,000 naira?
Okay, now 10,000 naira.
Relax your mind. Relax your mind. Relax your mind. Okay? Huh? Relax your mind, bro. Relax your mind. Huh? Relax your mind, bro. Relax your mind.
Okay, I want my money now.
You are in my father's house. Just relax your mind. All right? See, listen. After here, we'll go inside and eat some chicken. Like chicken? Relax your mind, bro. Relax your mind. Yeah.
Okay, I know there for this relax. I know be motor with. Okay, give my money, man. Come on for you. Okay, what's with this one now?
You have some change there with you, Dad? P1, you have some change there with you?
Kevin, please. Do whatever you have with this young man. Let him go and face his business.
No problem. You have some change? You have some change, Mom? Oh my God. All right, let me see you have some money here with me. Relax your mind, like I said. Relax your mind. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bro, this is 5,000 Nigeria currency, all right? Like I said, relax your mind, bro. Relax your mind. Relax your mind, bro. Relax your mind. Have this, all right?
Okay.
Have this. Come back later. Let's go inside.
Okay, what's with this one now? I could give me now 5,000 naira you discuss. 10,000 naira, okay? I think I tell you when you enter my motor.
Like I said, I don't have any money here.
Okay, tell me you don't have any money. No. Okay, give me 10,000. I bet I need to you know they come up for you. Give me 10,000.
You want to block me in my father's house? Is that how you guys behave in Nigeria?
Kevin!
Ma.
What are you doing here? I want to know why are you here?
Let's settle this guy, let him go so I can discuss family issues with my parents.
Okay, see, me I know they for that one. I don't know. If you do other people, you no go do me. You no go fit play.
Take it. Oh, don't touch. This is expensive, bro. This is expensive.
Then give my money now.
Hey, gates, man. Security.
Okay.
Hey, come. Do me a favor, please, come.
Give my money, I beg.
You know me, right?
Small guy, why
Right?
not? Yes.
Yeah, you know me.
Small guy.
Yes. I want you to settle this guy, all right? Just find some change for him, all right? Just settle him. I'll be back.
Okay, they never pay me.
Take care of him.
Good. I can't go.
Good.
Can't they go? Okay, go change that for you. Can't they go?
Turn the fire into your idiot.
Madam, go tell your husband. Go tell your brother. Can't they go?
Now they use me to play out. It's like I never know.
Bring my back. Okay. Bring my back.
Oh. 8 a.m. Hey, how did I sleep like this? No one, Anya. And I am sure that Oga, madam, he never wake up.
Chimuwana! Toto!
Is that not madam? What are you madam ready for this place?
Why is my body aching me? Babe. 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 What's my wife doing here?
I don't know, Oga. I don't know.
Babe? Babe? Babe, wake up, wake up, wake up. Babe! Wake up. Babe, wake up, wake up. Babe, stand up, you're outside. Stand up, come on. What are you doing here? What's going on?
What am I doing here?
I don't know, I should be the one asking you. I woke up and couldn't find you in bed.
I was in bed with you.
I looked for you all over the places. I couldn't find you. Then the gate man came to knock the door. I opened the door. I saw you outside lying down here. I was the one who locked the door last night. How come you're here?
Oga, you talk through. I just wait.
Shut up, I wasn't asking you.
Babe, come on. He should be the one to explain more.
No, Collins. Utaba has nothing to explain. You are the one to explain exactly what I'm doing on this ground.
Come on.
Collins,
So
I was in bed with you. And my domestic staff is sleeping here, Collins. I better start talking because I'm about to call my father now.
Babe, I should be the one asking
You should be the one telling me what I'm doing here. I was in bed with you and not Utaba.
Not everywhere.
How am I supposed to know? How am I supposed to know? Who brought me here?
Oga, I'm not be domestic.
What is going on? What am I doing here?
Why are you all looking at me like someone that misses way? Are you not happy to see me? Are you all not happy to see me? Your only son, father, what is going on?
Oh, will you shut your mouth? Am I not supposed to know why you hastily came back to the country?
Dad, I'm done with school. Can't I come back to my father's house again and enjoy myself like I'm doing now?
Kelvin,
What?
what did you say?
I am done. I'm done with school.
You should be ashamed of yourself. I sent you overseas to the best school. You just rusticated yourself and came back to the country without completing your studies. Idiot.
Dad, why can't you understand me? I am done, I am done.
Will you shut up your mouth and stop saying that rubbish? What did they do to you?
Nobody did anything to me. It is my decision to come back. I can't help it anymore. Hawaii is not a good place. They want to kill me there. So I came back to my father's land to enjoy myself, to dwell in my father's mansion. Why is that disgracing me? He doesn't want me to relax and enjoy myself in his own house. Then let him move to his father's house. This is my father's house.
Well, for your information, I built this place from the scratch. And this place will not contain both of us.
It will contain all of us. You should go to your father's house. Stop stressing me, please. Stop stressing me. Stop stressing me, please. Stop stressing me. Stop stressing me, please. Stop stressing me.
Kelvin, please. Why have you chosen to be useless?
I am not useless. I am not wayward. I am just myself. Can't you see? Talk to your husband. Talk to your husband, mother. Talk to your husband.
We thought sending you abroad will make you turn a new leaf.
Why are you all stressing me? Can't I relax in my father's house? If he doesn't want me to stay here, let him go to his father's house and let me be.
Mom, it hasn't changed. In fact, it's even worse than we thought.
Hey, you. Get me lighter. Get me lighter. Nobody should stress me, please. Nobody should stress me. Nobody should stress me, please. Nobody should stress me. Nobody should stress me, please. Nobody should stress me. Nobody should stress me, please. Nobody should stress me. God! Why?
Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, try your future will be bright.
This idiot went out there. Utaba! 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 Utaba!
Good morning, ma.
Did you see when my husband drove out?
No, ma. No.
Did he have his breakfast?
Not at all, ma.
But wait though, how can Madame be sleeping on the floor? I don't understand. This is so strange, so strange. Well, are you okay? Eh? What is it? Why did you touch me like that?
I thought you love it.
You must be mad. You must be insane. What is it? Why are you here? Talk, fast.
Please, where is Madame?
I don't know. Why are you asking me?
Did you let her find out why she slept outside?
No. Please go. Go before you say I told you.
Why
I
is
don't
your
want
body too hot?
You don't want to go. You want me to shout? Mother!
Calm down.
Go.
Calm
Go.
down. Not even I got a
Just go. Go now. I'm a boy. I've never seen a man like you. You talk too much. Small.
I've never seen a woman like you. You're confusing me.
I said go away.
Hey!
What's wrong with this man?
Amala.
A man doing I'm a boy. Go.
Otaba.
Go. Mother!
Amala.
Nonsense. Told you. What's wrong with this man?
So how did she get outside, if I may ask?
That is what I cannot tell. She has been accusing me of what happened to her.
She accused you?
My dear, Adora suddenly changed this morning. She refused listening to me and even threatened me to report the whole thing to her father.
Just like that?
Just like that. She's calling.
Pick the call.
Collins, where the hell are you this morning? You are not saying anything.
I went to see a friend.
That your friend will kill you there. For heaven's sake, will you bring back my car? Listen, I give you 10 minutes to do that. You will not like me if after 10 minutes I do not see my car here. Would you sneaked out just because I asked you to give me an explanation of how I slept outside last night? Listen, I am waiting for you here. And now, start coming. Start coming.
Is this some kind of joke or what?
It's not a joke, at least you've heard from the horse's mouth. Anyway, let me start going.
Collins, wait. No, don't panic. Just take the car to her. But you really need to find out what is going on. Because this is not coming from Adora I used to know. Do not panic. Don't fight her.
She's even calling again.
Take the
Let me just go, okay?
Just be careful. Adora, what is wrong with this lady?
It's all right, my dear. Okay. It's all right. Your father is still at home. I will inform him, okay? Just relax. Okay?
I heard you discussing with someone.
Yes, I was on call with Adora. She said she's on her way to this place.
I hope all is well.
I can't just say because she was not specific. But the way she sounded, I don't think all is well.
It's all right. Though I have an appointment in my office by 9 a.m., but let me tally a little. Just tell her to hurry up because I don't want to keep my clients waiting.
Honey, please just give her a little time. She will soon be here, okay?
It's all right. I'll be in my room.
It's
when
all
she
right.
comes, you direct her to come.
It's all right. Mom, did my sister call you? Yes, did she call you too? She called me, and there is a problem. Well, I won't say anything until she gets here. What did she tell you? She said the unthinkable. But like I said, I won't say anything until she gets here. What of your brother? Where is he? I've not seen him. I've not seen him.
Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, try your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life.
Welcome.
So my dear, your future will be bright. Remember they say only the end justify the mission. You can run, but you can't hide away.
Hi.
You can
Beautiful.
run, but you can't hide
Welcome,
away. You might have forgotten so
sir.
fast, but you can't change the
Hey. How are you?
You now leave the house without telling me your whereabouts.
Babe, come on, babe.
Please don't call me that name. When did this start?
Babe, am I supposed to tell you wherever I'm going to? I'm a man, you know. I went for my business.
This is what you tell your wife? So this is what responsible husbands tell their wives.
I don't know how you see it, but it's nothing.
So this is how you want it. We do whatever we want, as we wish. This is how you want us to run our home now, right? It's fine. Can I have my car key? Am I getting my car key or not?
Why are you behaving like this? Huh?
Madam, let me open the gate.
What is just a problem? I don't know what has come over her. Don't know what is wrong with you. Too bad.
I will never leave, nor forsake you, my dear love. I will only go to the city, make money and come back for you. You're my lover, you're my sweetheart, you. Oh.
Oga, welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Sir.
Get me water to drink.
Okay, sir.
What is wrong with you?
She's standing beside you!
I can't see anything.
Oh my goodness!
Is that man crazy or what? This girl, can you imagine what is this? What is she seeing? Amara! Come on, back this thing, please. Are you crazy or what? Amara!
Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, try your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright.
Hi. Yeah, what's up? What's up?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I need the keys to chief office right now.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. Who are you?
You asking me who am I? Are you asking me who am I?
Sir, who are you? I don't understand. Who are you?
Oh my goodness, he's asking me who am I? I said I need the keys to chief office right now.
I am sorry, sir. I don't know who you are, so I can give you the keys.
You smart? You want to know who am I? Huh? Listen, this is the last time I will tell you this. I need the keys to chief office right now, else I will kill you here and nobody will know about your existence. Hey, give me the keys.
I'm sorry, sir. I'll give you the keys.
Give me the keys! 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 Give me the keys!
my goodness. Wow! Look at my father's office. Old man, I'm here. Wow! Long time no see. Oh my God! Very good. Very good. I can't wait. I can't wait to be the CEO of this establishment. What the hell? Huh? I don't know why my father, I don't know why that man is wasting time. I don't know why he's wasting time to make me the manager of this place. Why is he wasting time? Why? Instead, he gave the manager to my sister, Adora. What can Adora do here? What can she do? Does she know anything concerning office matters? Does she know anything concerning office matters? She doesn't know, obviously. And then he wants to make Adora's husband the accountant. Someone in charge of the money. A nobody. God forbid. It will never work. It will never work, Popsy. It will never work. It will never work, Popsy. It will never work. I will be the CEO of this place. That's my establishment, and this is my inheritance. I need some cheddars. Stingy man. This man is getting high. Huh? Currency. Dollars. Wow. 40K. 40K. I love you, Popsy. I love you. I love you, Popsy. I love you. I love you, Popsy. I love you. I love you, Popsy. I freaking love you. Woo! I love you, Popsy. I love you. I love you, Popsy. I love you. Good. Out.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna walk it. Guinea can one a little walk it. Bananka be I told him Papa, come on. All the parents' effort to better your life.
Oh, madam, welcome.
Was in vain, prodigal son.
Oh, madam.
What else do you want? What else do you want? Prodigal son. You never want to do anything, but you want to live a larger life.
Hey, what are you trying to do?
Nothing, sir.
Huh?
Nothing, sir.
Who are you calling?
No, nobody.
Let me have that phone. Give me that phone! Stupid. Now you listen to me. Listen to me. If you ever call Chief or tell him anything that happened in this office, I will kill you. Am I understood?
Yes, sir.
I said what? I will kill you.
Yes. Repeat after me. What did I say?
I will kill you.
No, I will kill you. Say I will kill you.
I will kill me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't call him.
Yes, sir.
Don't call him.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. What just happened? Who opened this door? Who? How? Who's that? Who's there? Who is there?
How did you end up sleeping outside?
Daddy, Collins is behind this. I am sure that Collins has a hand in this.
Adora, are you saying your husband had a hand in this?
Mom, how do you explain it? Collins and I went to bed together in our bedroom, only to wake up to find myself sleeping in our compound.
That's strange.
I am just surprised.
What has he done to me?
Collins is a very nice person. I don't think he can hurt you.
Mom, please spare me with the niceness sermon. Collins is a gold digger. And with all gold diggers, you and I know what they are up to. They can do just about anything to become rich. I am certain that Collins has gotten himself into some shady business just so he can become independent. I am sure of that.
I think you are making sense. Yes. Darling, you need to invite Collins over. I think he has some questions to answer.
Exactly, Dad. Exactly. Collins has 1,001 questions to answer. And please make it as soon as possible before he uses me for rituals.
Oh, Adora, you don't say that about your...
Mom, it's gotten to that because I know what I'm seeing in that house. I know all the happenings in that house.
Well, Mama Elisa, let it not be you accusing a wrong person.
Daddy, I am not accusing Collins. I am stating facts.
Well, it's all right. Tell Collins I want to see him here tomorrow.
Okay, Dad.
I will go to the city, make money, come and marry you. This is my promise. I will go to the city, make money, come and marry you. This is my promise. I will go to the city, make money, come and marry you. This is my promise. I will go to the city, make money.
I'm sorry for the disturbance. My battery is down. Please, can you help me with yours?
Is that all?
Yes, that's all. And I'll appreciate it.
Please, you have to be fast about it, okay? And why are you staring at me?
I'm sorry. I must confess you're damn beautiful.
Hello? Hello? I am married. Happily married.
But I didn't say anything bad. I only acknowledge your beauty, and I expected you to show some appreciation for it.
Shall we? Or you've changed your mind?
I want to see you in my office immediately.
Sir, you called me.
I'm looking for the money I kept here.
Money, sir. I don't know about any money.
Did you see anyone enter my office?
No, sir. No one. No one entered the office.
What do you mean no one entered my office?
Sir, no one entered the office.
Listen, you were the last person that left this office yesterday.
Yes, sir.
And you were the first.
Yes, sir.
You have my keys.
Yes, sir.
So where is the money I kept in my drawers here?
Sir,
Listen. Better say the truth before I involve the police.
Sir, do not lock me up, sir, please. I did not take the money. I swear. Do not lock me up. I did not take the money. I didn't see money. Please, sir. Sir, please. Do not lock me up. Sir, you're making...
Security.
Hey, Chimo.
Come to my office immediately.
Oh, sir. Sir, please. I did not take the money. I did not take it, please, sir.
Honestly, I have no other option than to hand her over to police.
But what could she be doing with such huge amounts of money?
Oh, I'm saying, is she not human? She has need for money, and you know, such money can change her life forever.
Don't you think she might be innocent?
She's the only one that has access to my office. If she did not steal the money, who did?
Well, I don't know.
Well, she's my number one suspect, so I will allow her to rot in police custody until she confesses the truth.
Darling, are you sure you are not punishing the wrong person?
Well, if she is innocent, let her prove it. By the way, where is your son, Kevin?
I've not seen him. He left this house since morning.
Oh, better he stays wherever he is. He has no business coming into this house in the first place.
Darling, we can't chase him away. He still remains our only son.
I'd rather adopt a better son than to have such a non-entity, a Nikom, as a son.
Darling?
Of course, I meant every word I said here.
He's not even picking.
There you are. I said it.
What have I done to this boy, Biko?
A vagabond. Fracasso.
Let me go, babe.
You're going to fall down.
Shit.
What's wrong with him?
Don't worry. I can take good care of you, okay?
I know what you can do.
Yeah, babe. Live. Feel free. Enjoy yourself. Oh my God. Why did you bring me back? Huh? I want more drink. I want more drink.
Calm down, baby.
I want more drink, babe.
No, you have had enough.
I want more drink.
No, you need to
I
calm
said
down.
I want more drink, babe.
Just calm down.
I want more drink. Oh. Shit.
Just look at me.
Oh my God.
Just calm down. Let me take care of you.
Hey, I said I want more drink. I want more drink. I have money.
I know. Calm down. Calm down.
Oh my God. Take me out. I want more drinks. Take me to the bar. I want more drink.
Hey, babe. Stop that. Stop that. You're going to fall down.
I want more drink, babe. Oh, shit.
Amara. Amara. Amara.
Madam, sir.
My wife is not yet back.
Yes, sir. She's not back yet.
Up to this moment. Are you still busy in the kitchen?
I'm almost done, sir. Also be true.
Okay. Just stay close and be very alert whenever she comes back. So you open the door for her.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Good.
that? Who be that?
You are fired, Utaba.
Does it mean that she did not return last night? This is going out of hand. I think her father needs to hear this. I need to talk to her father about this.
Madam is still here by this time. Oh my goodness. Eh? If I should wake her up like this now, she's going to beat the hell out of me.
What is going on?
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Morning, sir. Oga, she come back last night though. She come back very high, like she did very drunk.
Drunk?
Yes, Oga.
Oh, she actually came back late.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think Chief has to hear this. Maybe by tomorrow now they'll start blaming me. Chief need to hear this.
Waking her up first now, eh? Ma. Good morning, ma. Good morning, ma. Good morning, ma.
Good morning. Where's my husband?
Ma?
Why am I?
Oh, yes, Chief. Oh, she's awake now, Chief. Hold on, let me.
Who's that?
Your father.
Hello? Daddy, good morning. Was that what he told you? No, Daddy, it's not true. Hello, Daddy, let me explain. Hello? Did you have to involve him? Why? Why do you have to involve him in any little thing? Can't you be a man? And what if I'm drunk? How is that any of your business? Can you take care of me?
Adora, you're insulting me in front of my
Oh,
house.
shut up. You insulted yourself first. Be a man. Take care of your home. Be a man. Take charge of your home. You shouldn't have called my father for this. Can't you be a man? Grow up. Grow up and take charge of your home.
What has come over you, Adora?
Nothing has come over me. Must you involve my poor father into this?
What has come over her? Why this sudden change in her character? Why this sudden change in her character? What's all this? What's going on?
Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, try your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life.
Papa! Who's after you?
Mama, as we are walking in the farm, she collapsed.
Mama Collins.
My mother.
Huh?
My mother.
Try to make peace with your past life.
Vera. Why is she calling him? I can bet my life that it is nothing else but money. Money all the time. Do they want to milk my father dry? Your brother is not your meal ticket.
Adora. Where's my phone? And I'm talking to you. Where's my phone now?
And when did I become your PA?
I left my phone here and you're asking me a stupid question. I left my phone
How
here.
am I supposed to know? I'm coming from the house. Please, you know we have a meeting with my father and he hates waiting. When I get into that car, I am not going to wait a second for you.
Ando can now Zanona. Eh?
Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, try your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life.
Otaba! Otaba!
Oga!
Come here.
Oga?
Otaba. I pressed my phone and I dropped it here. I went to the backyard and came back. I couldn't find my phone anymore. Where is my phone?
Phone?
Mba, what phone?
You dropped it here.
Laptop in your phone. I said, where is my phone? I'm not talking about laptop. Where's my phone?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I did not know. I didn't even
I
see
have
it.
you, madam, and the other girl in this house.
Yeah! I know, ma'am. That was no shit.
Otaba.
Yeah? I want them. Oga, I found a phone. I did not see any phone. Ha! Oh, Jesus! Can't you want with Jesus? Oh, what you dead your chap? I want them. Yeah! Hey! Oga, found a phone. I did not see any phone. Cha. Oh, my God. I found a phone, bro. Amala!
I'm gonna walk there. Where's my phone?
I want them. I want them.
You even see what she sent. To read a message. I can bet my life it is nothing but money.
Good afternoon, brother. Brother, our mother is at the hospital. The doctor said we must deposit 40,000 naira before they can start treatment. Please send the money so that Mama will not die. Please, I am begging you.
I said it. I said it. It is nothing else but money. Money all the time. I'm going to switch off this phone. I'll switch it off and turn it on after 3 days. Onny, your mother is in the hospital. That is how this stupid family wants to run me down. They want to finish my father's money. Nah, it's not gonna happen. Not under my watch. Every time you call your brother, it is about money. Each time you call your son, it is about money. From whose pocket? My father's pocket. No. Never again. Never again. Let me see how you guys are gonna get him on the phone. Switched off for 3 days. That's your punishment.
Are you ready to tell me the truth right now?
Ma, I am innocent.
I know you are innocent. You have no intention of stealing the money, but one thing or the other must have pushed you into it.
No, I swear to God I did not touch the money. Please let me go, I'm not a thief.
Stop it! Do you think I'm joking with you?
I know.
Say it! Where did you keep the money?
I did not touch the money.
Else, tomorrow morning, you'll be charged to court. Say it!
I did not touch the money.
Tell me the truth. Only truth that can save you. Say it now!
I did not do it. I did not touch it.
Babe? Babe? You're still sleeping. Babe? 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 You're still sleeping. Babe?
Papa, what did the doctor say?
He insisted we must make some deposit. How about your brother?
Papa, his phone is switched off, but I've sent him a message. I believe he will call me as soon as he sees the message.
There is no time more. There is no time more. Your mother needs quick medical attention. Maybe I will go back to the doctor and still talk to him and beg him and see if he can do something for her.
Papa, I want to go with you.
No, go and stay with your mother.
Papa, I need to talk to the doctor. Eh? My waist might soften his heart though. Let's go.
Okay, if you say so.
Oh shit, man. Oh my god. Skull is me. Oh fuck. No. Well. Yeah, hello. Hello, speak out.
I can't hear you. Can you speak out? What is wrong with these people in Nigeria? Hi! Fuck off! Why are you calling my phone if you can't speak out? Babe! Babe, come on! I'm active. Come give it to me. Come give it to me. Come give it to me. Babe! What's she doing at the bedroom? Babe! Come give it to me. Come give it to me. Oh my God. My bag is not here. What? Babe! Babe! What? No, I'm dreaming. Kevin, you're dreaming. Come on, wake up. Ah! This reality! Where's my dollars? What? Hey! Who took my money? Babe! Oh my goodness! I'm dreaming. Sleep again. Sleep. Wake up. Ah! This is real? No! 40K! No! Ah! Ah!
Good afternoon, Dad. Good afternoon, Mom.
Adora. Yes, Mom.
Where is your husband?
Dad, you have his number. Call him on his phone. Excuse me.
What's the meaning of this? I asked them to come together and here she comes alone. What's the meaning?
That is what we have to find out. I think Collins is not being fair to our daughter.
Listen, if Collins thinks he can dare me, I'll throw him in jail. What's the meaning of this?
It's not his fault. I gave him the privilege of marrying my precious daughter, and he thinks he can treat her anyhow. That will not happen. We will join hands together and deal with him.
No, let him there.
That is what it is.
Isaiah! Isaiah!
Madam! I be the pump water for backyard.
Check who is at the gate.
Who be that? Who open my gate? Who be that? Small guy.
Hey, what is wrong with you? Huh? It will take you hours to open the gate. It will take you hours to open the gate.
Kevin, what is this?
Oh my goodness! How did this boy get in here in the first place? Oh my God! Who brought this guy here? How did you get in here? Foolish boy!
An idiot. Nuisance.
What is wrong with that boy? Huh?
Kevin, what is
open the gate! You cannot open the gate! Come on to open the gate! This idiot cannot open the gate!
It's okay, it's all.
What am I doing here, Ivo?
What is happening to my son?
How did I get in here?
Calvin!
Come on to open the gate! Open the gate! Are you mad? Are you stupid?
Honey, God!
Next time when I call you, you open the gate! Open the gate! Stay put in!
Kevin.
Have mercy on me, oh Lord.
Amen.
Have mercy on that idiot
Amen.
too. Huh?
Kevin.
I don't even know what is happening here. I can't find my money. Oh my God.
Kevin, what is happening to you?
Everything is happening to me. Everything is happening to me. I'm tired of this house.
What is happening to you?
Brother, why is your phone switched off at this crucial time? I don't want my mother to die. I don't want my mother to die.
Vero, what are you doing here?
Papa, brother's phone is still switched off. Eh? What are we going to do? What are we going to do? I don't want to lose my mother.
She will not die. Let me go and see if I can raise some money. At least 20,000, as the doctor has requested.
Papa, do you think it's that easy? Who is going to lend you such an amount of money at this time? Eh?
I don't know, but let me go first. Who knows? I may succeed. What if Jehovah, God can do anything? Huh?
Papa, I don't want to lose my mother.
What if again, nothing will happen to my wife.
Okay.
Nothing. Absolutely.
Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, try
Keke, where are you taking me to now? This is not the road to my destination. I beg, stop. Keke, stop now. If you don't stop this Keke now, you won't like me.
Do what? Do what? See, you better not try search for here. You hear me? If you try, I go shakara you with this thing like say the meat. So you better respect yourself. No. Sokopat! Ha! This ain't to smoke not free. I go slay you here. Calm down.
I just want.
Hey, come on towards my Jones. The price of the meant. See, I go force score now. I just say one more. I will collect the Jones. Come on, cool down. Free your mind. No worry, Panu. You calm down. Make this man free. Free yourself. I know I know it's plenty inside this keke. No worry, make this man free. Come on.
I just want to go down.
You know, let's say body they pinch you.
Okay.
I go set you.
Okay.
Let's say to you the meant. Okay, let's take this out.
Up till this moment, this young man hasn't come. And his phone switched off.
He planned it. That was why he switched off his phones. Collins. I know Collins too well. You see, I am happy that everyone is beginning to see Collins for who he is. A man who lacks integrity. That is the man I have been married to all these years. Adora, why have you been silent about this? You should have told us. Really? Mom, really? None of you would have believed me, especially Dad. Collins does no wrong when it comes to Dad.
And we shouldn't conclude until we hear from him.
Mom, did you hear Dad? I knew it. I knew it would boil down to this. It's fine. Collins is the good one. While your daughter, your biological daughter, is the villain. Fine, I accept. Wahala.
Dad, do not tell me you are doubting my sister. Your own daughter. I may come to think of it. If Collins has nothing he's hiding, why isn't he here yet?
He doesn't want to come. But one thing I assure him is this. He can never run away from his evil.
Well, like I said earlier, we shouldn't conclude until I hear from him. But if he happens to be around, someone should notify me.
That's it. I'm out. You can't just live like that. Mom, I cannot be in a gathering where my own father doesn't even accept or believe anything I have to say. I don't care if Collins makes it here or not. I'm out. Please wait for me. Rubbish.
Pepper Lily, Pepper Lily. Yeah. Mom. Why is your face like this?
As if you just finished eating beans.
Where have you been?
How dare you ask me that silly question? Do you care about me? Do you freaky care about my well-being? Do you care about my welfare in this house? No! And you're asking me, where have you been? Nonsense. I want to step out, Mom. I'm going out. By the time I come back, I want you to prepare something nice like Irish potato, turkey, lizard, gizzard. You know, just prepare something nice. I'm coming. Pepper lily, pepper lily.
I hope he has not come back to start tormenting us again. Kelvin.
Why is my father not yet back? I know that he cannot raise that kind of money for my mother's treatment. And my brother's phone is switched off. God, please, I don't want anything to happen to my mother. God, please don't let my mother to die. Hey, nurse.
Young lady.
Nurse.
The doctor wants to see you in his office right now.
Can I ask you a question?
Please, go and see him. He's waiting for you there. I think he has all the answers to your questions. Excuse me.
Nurse. I think I know why the doctor wants to see me. He wants us to move my mother out of the hospital, since we cannot raise the money for her treatment.
Yes, come in.
Good afternoon.
Where is your father?
He's not yet back.
Look, we've been patient enough with you people. We cannot continue keeping your mother here. The management has decided that you should take your mother elsewhere.
Doctor, please, I don't have any other place to take my mother to. Please help us. I don't want my mother to die, please. Please.
Young lady, I wish I can help. But I'm just an employee here. I take instruction from the management.
Where do we go from here? Can I talk to the management?
Look, young lady, there's no need for that because nobody will listen to you. Just take your mother and go. Please.
Yes, come in.
Papa.
Doctor.
Papa, you're welcome.
I'm fine, sir. You're welcome.
Doctor, here's the money. 20,000 naira. Please let them commence the treatment immediately. You know, delay is dangerous.
Doctor, please. Please just do anything, please. Help my mother.
Okay, fine. Wait for me at the reception. Before then, take this money to the receptionist. She will tell you what to do. Alright? Yeah, I'll be with you shortly. Alright.
Because
Yes.
10 p.m. It is 10 p.m. and Collins isn't home yet. Why do I feel this guy is cheating on me? Why do I feel he has another woman? Hello, Daddy. No, not yet. Dad, I feel Collins is cheating on me. I feel he has another woman. Dad, because how do you explain why a married man shouldn't be at home at this time? It is 10 p.m., Daddy. No, how do you explain that?
Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright.
Hello, Mr. Brown.
Hello, Adora. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Good evening.
You didn't bother to call me after the last time we spoke.
Apologies. I've been busy.
It's alright. How about a date with you? Lunchtime. I have a proposal.
A proposal?
Yes.
Alright. Tomorrow then.
Alright, good night. Have a lovely night.
Yeah, good night. What could that be? What sort of proposal? No caller ID. He's calling me with a private number. Not this time. Hello?
Am I speaking with Adora?
Who is this?
Listen carefully. Your husband is in our custody. I have only bet tomorrow to raise 50 million naira for his release. Or say goodbye to him. Hey, listen, one more thing. If you report this matter to the police, consider your husband dead. Not even set your eyes on his corpse. Fuck out of here.
Hold on. Hello, sir. Collins has been kidnapped. Wait a second. Something fishy is going on now. Adora, don't fall for this. Collins. Thinks he's smart, I'll tell him I'm smarter.
These kidnappers again. I will not speak. They will call up until their fingers peel. I know your game plan. Otaba! Madam! He's at the gate. Who is that? You are so clumsy, my friend. Hurry up! Who wants to break my gate?
Hey, what's up? Hi, sis. Hi. Hello, sis. Hi. Hi, sis. Hi. Hello, sis.
What's up? Hi, sis.
It's okay, you're disturbing the neighborhood.
Hi. Hello, sis. What's up?
It is true you're back.
Oh, yes, I'm back. This is me, Kevo. Kevin Money. This is me in flesh and blood. I'm back. Ohio's too hot. I had to come down to this country, my goddamn country, my father's land. I had to come back to take over all my inheritance, all my property, before somebody start bucknosing in my affairs. Well, that's by the way. I heard your husband is missing. What's up with that dude?
Since when did you start caring? Don't tell me that's why you're here.
I don't give a freaky F about that man. I don't give a freaky F about that man. I don't give a freaky F about that man. If you like, let him die. Go under the earth, beneath the earth, 6 feet. It's not my freaky business. A poor, wretched fool. I don't care. All I care about is my property. I just came to check one of my inheritance. And from the look of things, man, you are doing wonderfully well. I mean, look at my inheritance. So clean, so fresh, just like yesterday. And this, wow!
What exactly are you talking about?
Huh?
What exactly are you talking about? What is it with the inheritance?
Come on, sis, what's up? 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 Why are you acting as if you're not smart again?
You smell of alcohol.
You are a smart girl. You're a freaking smart girl. A beautiful girl at that. You should know what I am talking about. Am I not the only son? The only son of my father. So, everything, all his properties belongs to me when he goes down. Come on. I'm here to inspect one of my properties, one of my inheritance, and to make sure that it is still intact. And it's good. Well, for your information, I'll be back soon. All right? So use your number 6 and know what I'm talking about. Have a nice day, sis. Have a nice day, sis. Have a nice day, sis. Hi, sis. What's up? You're putting on red and red. That's some bloody civilian there. Hi, sis. What's up? You got some change there with you? I'm broke. Au revoir, sis. What's up? Hey, open the gate. Oh my goodness. Sis, you employed a cripple as your gate man. What the F? Oh, crazy things are happening. Crazy things are happening. Crazy things are happening. Crazy things are happening. Open the gate. Open the fucking gate. Can't you see I am big? Open the gate. Oh my goodness, he cannot walk. He cannot walk. Crazy things are happening. Crazy things are happening. Who employed you? Open the gates. Open. Oh my God. Crazy things are happening. Open this gate. Let us come over this gate. Huh? Open this gate. Open this gate. Open it. You can't walk. My sister, how do you go? Oh God.
This guy is such a rascal. Why do I have a rascal for a brother? Are they stopping the neighborhood? And he reeks of alcohol. God, the stench. Kelvin, you know what? I am not ready for you. First things first, let me sort out Collins. Then I'll come back to you. And what the hell is he talking about? Inheritance. My father's property. Oh. Utaba! Madam! Come here! And you were eavesdropping, right?
No! I blocked my ear.
They were blocked. I'm a boy. Go get out from here. Open the gates. Such a clumsy idiot. No wonder my brother told me I employed a cripple. Your days are numbered. Open the goddamn gates!
What else do you want? else do you want? Prodigal son, you never want to do anything but you want.
She's still not taking my calls. Maybe she thinks we are joking.
See, Oga, make I tell you something. Your woman no, as make she no just try play with us, so because she waste time, go just smoke you for free. You hear so?
Please, I'm sorry about that. Maybe her phone is not going. Just give her a little time and call her back. She will pick.
Hey, now listen and listen good. We know they beg her. Whether she let her pick the call or not, it's none of our business.
I tell you.
If she fails to comply after today, we'll buy you and we'll throw your body in a lagoon.
No. I see her so na pure talk.
Mugo.
Original. The army, that's CP.
Mugo. After today, you will know what will happen to you.
And we go to the city, make money, come and marry you. And one love more, this is my promise. And we go to the city, make money, come and marry you. And one love more, this is my promise. And we go to the city, make money, come and marry you. And one love more, this is my promise. And we go to the city, make money, come and marry.
Good morning, Dad. Good morning, Mom.
Have you heard from those criminals again?
They kept calling on my way to this place, but I refused to pick.
Why? Do you want them to kill your husband?
Please, Mom, don't get yourself worked up for nothing. Collins is behind this.
Meaning what? Kidnapping is a serious business that no one toys with it.
Dad, have you forgotten Collins is my husband? We live under the same roof. I know what Collins is capable of, and this is one of the things he's capable of doing. He's faked his own kidnap.
Please stop this. You know that's an expensive joke, right?
And what is expensive about the joke? I am telling all of you that Collins is the one behind this. He's doing this only to extort money from our dad. Can't you say it?
You are wrong. You are telling me that Collins faked his own kidnap? I don't believe you.
I know him too well.
Honey, our daughter is making sense here. A gold digger will go to any length to make money.
Mom, please stop this. She's only guesses, not as if she's right.
Shut up.
Hello? Please. I'll pay 5 million, please. I'll pay 5 million, please. Just...
No.
Hello? Hello?
Dad, please call them again. Call them again.
5 million naira for what? I am telling you that Collins is the one behind this.
Switched off.
You see? You see it? Tell me who kidnaps his victim and switches off his phone? No one. I am telling you that Collins is behind his kidnap. I am sure that he must have rallied round some of his rogues to put up this plan. I am telling you all that Collins is behind this. Take it to the bank and cash it. Oh, gosh.
My mama tell me say, I'm gonna be a good girl. Be a good girl. My mama tell me say, I'm gonna be a good girl.
don't keep all these things here. Wait, does it mean that Madam is back? Even Oga is back, and I did not know. Wait, it's like one of them is back. Let me go and check.
Who is inside?
Tessie, you are too young to understand this. Listen to me. He is playing a dangerous game. I was the one these kidnappers were speaking with. Then all of a sudden, boom! They switched to Dad. Can you not see that this Collins of a guy wants our father's money?
I'm not just agreeing with you. What if you are wrong at the head of killing your husband? What would you do?
They will not kill him.
Your father has bargained with them, and it ended 20 million naira.
This had better be a joke. That 20 million. 20 million naira for someone who isn't even your blood.
Oh, will you shut your mouth? You would prefer to kill your husband.
Dad, can't you see it? Can't you see it? Can't you? It is crystal clear. It is glaring for even a blind man to see that Collins is behind all of this. He is the mastermind. Why have you chosen not to believe me?
Adora, Collins did not mastermind his kidnap. He spoke with your dad and told him all that happened.
If you were patient enough, if you had waited for him so both of you could come here, this probably wouldn't have happened.
Oh my goodness. Collins, Dad, was that what he told you?
Were you aware that his phones were missing? Yes, and you are number one suspect. Is that correct?
Dad, you know what? I don't care anymore. I don't care whatever Collins has fed you with. I don't care at this point. It's just that it hurts me. It hurts to know that you are always taking sides with Collins. It hurts. It hurts.
You see it? She couldn't even answer my question.
Are you supposed to tell her all that? What if Collins was wrong?
I think Collins was right about his phone.
How?
Try to make peace with.
Another display of madness. So tell me, who are you talking to this time? Your occultic master?
I wasn't talking to no one, I was just...
Your occultic master?
I was just singing.
I, Adora, will expose you. I will expose you. No, keep talking. Carry on, keep talking. But I will expose you. I will expose you. Keep talking.
You're happy now, right? Wherever you are, you're happy now. See what you're causing. See what you're causing. Why are you stressing my life?